In this video, I want to teach you how to combine two columns in Excel. Here in A2 we have Jacob and B2 we have Adam. So I want to teach you how to combine this and Jacob and Adam to form Jacob Adam in form of full names in this video. The process is very simple. Now you have your detail like this. Come to this place, click on it, then type the equal to button, type CON, then double click this one, double click on it. Once you double click on it, it comes out like this. Then come to this place. We are dealing with A2, so type A2 comma column space column comma. Now we are combined with B2, then close the bracket. Now hit the enter button. You see it brings it as Jacob Adams. Now to add everything here, click on this button, then bring your mouse to this place until you see this cross icon, then you drag downward. Once this close icon appear, you drag downward. That's all. Now you've been able to combine two columns into one column in Excel. If you get this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.